Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And the robots are off. Leviathan scoring immediately. Circuit breakers matching pretty much exactly. Both ramps filling up pretty quickly. In the back, brown coats are scoring from the far point. Davenport trying to do the same. But Leviathan is making up for it. Missing the gate there, unfortunately. And I think because of that, red is taking a slight lead, but Leviathan is coming back, and we have a pretty much tied auto here.
Driver,
the blue ramp is full, so we'll see that gate go down pretty quickly. But over by that blue tunnel, we're seeing a lot of artifacts, lots of traffic over there when teleop starts.
3, 2, 1.
And browncoats immediately picking up right from that loading dock, scoring as quick as possible. Unfortunately, that's going to bounce out. We're seeing a lot of contact here, specifically with circuit breakers and Leviathan, moving back and forth as they try and fight for these different artifacts across the board. We're seeing that blue ramp fill up a lot. Game management is going to be hard for the Blue Alliance, specifically with how much this team is scoring. Blue Alliance is kind of going away with it. 28 kernels to 22. Might be able to take, Red Alliance still might be able to take this lead back, but that gate is full. They're going to need to drop that in order to score more. It looks like Red Alliance is well, now that that gate is opened from the Red Alliance, the Blue Alliance is able to go in and score as fast as possible, take advantage of all of those dropped artifacts. Blue Alliance is moving like clockwork here, back and forth. But now the Red Alliance is able to take advantage of that, but there's looks like a traffic jam over in that Red Alliance corner. And that release gate by the Blue Alliance is going to work wonders for Circuit Breaker if they're able to take advantage of it properly. Leviathan fighting to get over to their human player. And as the game is coming to a close, Blue Alliance is in the lead by about 100 points. Looks like we're just going to keep on scoring until the very end. That open gate might be able to be, but it might be too late. Red Alliance is going to try and take advantage of it with 3 seconds left in the game. Looks like both teams are parking, and that's going to be the game.
Out here, and the winner is Blue Alliance with a score of 263 points.